Hi guys, welcome to Hardware Info channel. Today I have Xiaomi POCO M6 Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification on this device. Our first step to do that is from main menu we must swipe up the screen and go to the settings. In it we look for additional settings option and there X-ability. Now vision and there we have our magnification. To turn on it we press switch on, confirm by OK, and there we have our magnification icon, which position we can easily change. To zoom our screen, we tap on it and tap on our screen. We can change position of our zoom using two fingers. To turn off it, we press on our magnification icon. And that's all. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!